Hello, everyone. My name is Mira, aka Mira the Goddess 22. You can follow me on all of your social media platforms. I'm 29 years old from Atlanta, Georgia, mother of three, stay-at-home mom of three wonderful boys. And I rob banks legally, and I'm here to teach you how. Thank you. All right, so let's get into. Well, before we get into it, y'all. So my YouTube people keep saying it's hard to find my name, the Merit Goddess. So just locate my information here. Um, so if you just type in my name, then you should be able to find me. Yeah, get my subscribers up, y'all. I see y'all viewing, so that's good. All right, so let's get into it. Candlestick Bible. We are going over, for those, if this is your first time watching, I do recommend that you start watching this video so you could be able to replay the other ones, so you could be able to get caught up to what's going on. If you're a little bit advanced and you just need to hear this video, then stay with me. All right, so Candlestick Trading Bible, free download. You could be able to download it on any internet browser, or if you need to purchase the book, I'll be more than happy to drop the link below. For and at Amazon, that's the only one I'm gonna be honest that I trust. I don't trust anyone else when purchasing this book. When I first started out, I actually just downloaded this book, printed out the papers, and put it in a notebook, and I liked that way. All right. Um, all right, so today we are learning how to trade inside bars with support and resistance. So let's do it. All right. Our technical how to trade the inside bar breakout with support and resistance. Technical analysis can be very complicated if you don't focus on the most important basics, such as support and resistance levels. These are represent a psychological level where the game is played between buyers and sellers. Let me give you an example. If sellers overcome buyers, they will push the price below the support level. Some buyers will feel afraid to lose money because they see that the support level is broken, so they will get out and sell the market again to cover their loss. Other participants will notice the sellers are in control of the market. They will decide to sell the market and help the bears push the price to go down. As a trader, if you have enough knowledge about support and resistance levels, when you open your chart, you will notice that the support level is broken and the bears are in control of the market. This is a good selling opportunity, right? But the question is, what is the right time to enter the market? That's true. The inside bar pattern is one of the most reliable price action signals that will give you the right time to enter the market and make big profits. Once you understand how to use it in combination with these levels, you will get clearly what the market is telling you, and you will make good trading decisions. See the chart below. All right, here we have our example. Here it says the illustration below shows how sellers broke the support level. The formation of the inside bar pattern after the breakout of this level signals indecision in the market. Right now, no one knows if support level is really broken. If you sell at market immediately after the breakout of the level, you are making an aggressive entry, which is a little tricky and dangerous because the breakout is not confirmed. But if you are used with trading inside bars and you understand the psychology behind their formations, you will know that the safest entry should be after the breakout of this pattern. The breakout of this candlestick pattern is a clear confirmation that the market is not still in an indecision period, and sellers are obviously in control of the market. See another example. Okay. It says the chart above shows how the market participants interact with these levels and how this resistance level acts as a barrier. The market has had difficulty rising above this horizontal level prevents buyers twice from rising any further. But in the third attempt, buyers broke through the resistance level. What is interesting is what happened after the breakout. Look at the chart again. You will notice that there is a clear inside bar pattern formed over there. Okay, it says the formation of the pattern, the price action pattern indicates that the breakout is not yet confirmed. Remember, an inside bar formation means indecision and hesitation. So you have to be careful and bear in mind that a false breakout scenario is possible. What will make a difference between you and other traders is your deep understanding of how this pattern works. In the chart above, you will know that the best time to place a buy order should be after the breakout of the inside bar pattern, not after the breakout of the horizontal level. Okay. All right, so I just wanted to take a look here back over this. I know I kind of went through it and just read, but let's just take a look at the example here. So this is a bearish market at the current time. Here we have a support level. So the candle actually breaks through. Um, we have that inside bar that was formed. And then she continues to sell. So they say in the last chapter that we went over that you want to put your entry after the mother candle, and your stop loss of the after a little bit above the mother candle as well. And then she went down, and then we have our profit target. That's profit target here. It looks like a bullish inside bar, and she did go up for the retracement. She did, however, go a little bit down, but we don't know if that was actually, um, if that was stopped. Okay, and then my cup is on the. Thank you. Okay, now so in this instance here, it says the formation of the price action indicates that the breakout is not yet confirmed. Remember, an inside bar formation means indecision and hesitation. So you have to be careful and bear in mind a false breakout scenario is possible. Um, let's see. Well, it's interesting. You will notice a clear inside bar pattern formed over there. Okay, so all right, so just looking here back at the example. So we have our resistance level here. So it was buying. Buyers was unable to push the market through. They tried to come up. They couldn't come up. The resistance level was strong. Then they tried to come back up one more time. They finally broke out. The inside bar, I wish we can we zoom in? Uh-oh, that's not it. Let's see. Hold on, guys. Hopefully you guys could be able to see that. So the inside bar was formed, and so they want to have our stop loss a little bit above the mother candle entry. We have to enter after the mother candle. So once that breakout was formed, we put our entry. It could be a stop after the mother candle, and she continued to roll up. All right, let's put that back on 100. All right, so let's see if we can find these setups, and we're gonna use the same USD CAD and Euro USD in the market that we used before. All right, so Euro USD, we already identified our inside bars, right? Let's look on a 4-hour time frame so we can quickly see. Well, not quickly, but so we can be able to see in the market. I think that's where we found it. All right, and then so let's draw us some support and resistance levels. Hold on. Okay. And before I get into this, we can put this on like 3. If you need some assistance with identifying support and resistance levels, just make sure that we go here, page, what's that, 58 under market structure. They talk about support and resistance levels. So you can be able to identify support and resistance, and you can be able to um, mark your charts up. Uh-oh, I need to take that off. All right, let's see. I think I kind of like this level. Yeah, and let's see if we can find one more. I actually like this. Yeah. Okay, and why I drew these support and resistance levels. So this acted as a support. I know we had a little small fake out right here. Stillness was a support. Then she finally broke out and became resistance. Still resistance here, still resistance. Then she finally broke out and now became support and support again. Same for this purple line. Uh, it was acting as support. It didn't actually touch it. Here we have the resistance here, resistance, support. Um, it broke out, became a resistance, broke out. This is resistance right here, the small. Then it slowed down. Then it is support right here. And then for this one, support, resistance, resistance. It was a small little fake out right here. Resistance, until she finally broke out. And then this is actually support right now. Support. So I love Candlestick Bible reviews because, like, man, it's let me show. It let me show. It shows me. It just continue to show me. I like when I do this. What's going on in the market? All right, so we did identify some. Um, this one may be. I would probably like this one too. That's a good one. She kept finding her support right here. Uh, Inside bar, we put it. We had already had this set up, right? Um, but here we are. Here we have another support and resistance level. So when you add your other technical tool analysis, you'll see like, okay, and she went up. The bearish, oh my gosh, y'all, look. Here we have a bearish inside bar that was formed. So if you were still trying to ride it, you probably would have rolled it and probably would have still, got out because, or you probably would have still had that 169 pips because what happened was price did go up. The bearish inside bar candle was formed. Then we at that resistance level right here. So I would have been like, all right, I'm getting out. And I still would have kept, I would have kept it. 169 and only risk, y'all. We only risked 27 points. Like, what the, what? All right, so we're not talking about bullish engulfings. That's why I'm not going to talk about this little portion here. We did see the resistance, the inside bar form, but we're not talking about the other confirmations to sell. All right. He finally broke out. So I want to find a breakout. I think this would be a good breakout. Here, bullish. She finally broke out. We want to wait for the confirmation, guys. All right. In this case, this did look like a book. See, this is why you want to have your stop loss and your take profit. So here is a great example. Here again. Yes, this was a bearish inside bar, guys, but I want to talk about it. So we put our entry above the mother candle because they said we want to enter above the mother candle. Oh, sorry, that's the wrong thing. Okay. And then we want to put our stop loss that's a little bit below the mother candle as well. So we have an inside bar. Yes, it is a bearish. If it goes bearish, then we want to wait for that confirmation. But in this case, she did not find a great a resistance level. She did not make this level to be resistant. This is still support. The candle actually closes bullish. We are tapped into our trade, and she goes up. So where do we get out at? Right? All right. Even if you just stop it from right, oh my gosh, you went up. Look at that wick right there. All right, so here we have an inside bar. This actually was a long wick that was indicated. So this is our entry down here. This is where we enter. This is where we get out at. This was our exit. I like this setup, man. I like this setup. Okay. All right, inside bar is formed. Mother candle. We can probably get out after the mother candle right here. Or if I seen this long wick rejection, I'm at a resistance level, I'm getting out that trade as well. So it probably wouldn't have been 181 pips, but I would got out. Or I probably waited till after that candle closed. That's 160 pips. I'll still be okay with that. Okay, and then she sold down. And guys, this is a 4-hour time frame. I'm not saying that you don't want to, if the setup is good, you don't You don't have to just miss out on this entry, but you don't want to counter trend trade as well. Especially if you're not a um, advanced trader that knows exactly what's going on in the market. All right. So we have an inside bar that we actually already highlighted. Let me take this one off. Stop. Sorry. So our stop loss is this was a long wick. We probably didn't have to risk all of this, to be honest, but we did have a long wick. That wick actually touched our support level, letting us know that we are, and it closed up here, we are still inside of our bullish trend here. So we put our buy entry above our mother candle, stop loss below our mother candle. um, Also, with this wig on a lower time frame, that also could have been a fake breakout as well. And she continued to go up. Where did we get out? So that target level was actually a little bit high. Um, so where we should have gotten out at, here we have a bearish inside bar, guys. I'll wait till that candle closes. That's a 1 of 4. So what tells me, and we probably didn't have to put our stop loss. We probably could have put it right here, 1.87. I'll be okay with that. Would have gotten out right here, or even if you're just waiting for that bearish, that bullish, long bullish candle when it closed. Sorry, I'm not sorry, so I can't say sorry. It's almost a 2-and-1, almost 2. All right. And that's why you gotta be careful to not counter trend trade, because with this one she did come down to our support level, but this one she did not, because we are still in an uptrend overall. All right, bullish engulfing, but we ain't talking about the bullish engulfing right now. Here we have a small inside bar, bearish. She goes down. Just to retracement, still a lower high. Make sure we're talking about our high market structure. A higher low, sorry, was formed because it's higher than this low. All right. I wouldn't consider this as a inside bar, but she did continue to go up. All right, she broke out. We still didn't have an indication to buy, and then she went up. So even if we did miss this move, right? Well, we probably didn't because of what's right here. This is a morning star, but it didn't give us any inside bars. But that inside bar here was actually formed, letting us know we need to get out this trade. But we're not talking about what happened right here, because none of this actually talks about the inside bar right now. All right, so we have an inside bar bullish that takes place. Make sure we put our stop entry above mother candle, stop loss below mother candle. This also could have been a fake out, so be careful as well. But we seen price just kept going up. That's why we do have our entry above, just in case price just wants to continue to go down. Yeah, and she went up. Here we have a bearish inside bar that was actually formed. We could have gotten out that trade, and there we have it. All right, and then current, what's going on current right now? Inside mother bar, we put our buy entry above and our stop loss below. So this was really, really close right here, because price literally, if that would have went down somewhere pips, we would have got taken out of that trade. She is still in this trade. Gave us another bullish engulfing. I mean, a morning star, and also in that it was a bullish engulfing, letting us know we do have some room to push back up. But we do want to be careful because it looks like this may be a resistance level somewhere up here. So where will price go next? Let's see. So it's been a while since price actually been this high. So all we have to do when we can't see anything at the top of the current structure, if this is just blank, all you have to do is just go back in the past and let's see if we can find some levels. So I think this may be a level right here, maybe right here because I like this support, and then she becomes resistance here. So that may be a level. Okay, and even if you need to go back some more, so yeah, I like this one. I pull it up better because support, resistance. We got more price action. Oh yeah, I like that one better. Okay, all right. So if that's the case, what did I just do? Okay, yeah. So if that's the case, then we can probably take it to this resistance. There we go. That's over our 2 and 1. We want to see what price action does in this case. So that's Euro USD, and let's take a look at. I just love how we're doing the Candlestick Bible, and how we're going weekly by weekly. Yes, our trades are not always gonna. Sorry, sorry. Yes, our trades are not always gonna win, because EU almost got taken out based off our stop loss, but when we can see the psychology behind them, we can see that hey, we're being profitable. Um, so let's find how long have I been recording? Oh yeah, let's actually end this because it's almost to our 30 minute, and I don't want to bore you guys. But I'll put some examples. Well, we have the examples. I'll put some support and resistance lines and just put it in the comments for you guys. You guys have a great day. I think EU was like a good explanation though, and how we just really broke it down like that. So let's see if we actually make it to this resistance level. I like when we're marking up kind of live based off the candlesticks because it's not, I swear it's not me that's just making this up. It's in the book. The market actually shows us. So once you start training your eyes and you see what's going on, you can be a profitable trader as well. All right, y'all. It has been real. My name is Ramira, aka Merida Goddess 22, MARATHEGODESS. Two number twos. I definitely know that it's only one D. That's what I put. But also, if you cannot find me on YouTube, all of my other social media platforms, you could be able to find me here. But YouTube, just type in my real name, and hopefully we can get my subscribers up. All right, tell me what you like, comment, share my information, get the word out. I just want to help as much as I can. Later. Enjoy your weekend.